Hi, welcome to another Eco Tips edition of Eco Penny. In this video I'm going to give a demonstration and review of a Ryobi RBL1820J leaf blower. So I have been a bit reluctant to get a leaf blower. Initially, over the last few years, I thought I'll just use a broom to sweep up leaves, but I found that it is a bit difficult to do. It often doesn't get done, and often I've got leaves building up where the wind blows them against fences and other things like that. So I've taken the plunge, and I'm going to see how good this leaf blower is. Is it easier to use than just a broom? Does it do a better job? Is it quicker? And see how it goes. So this one's got a rechargeable battery, so it doesn't have any emissions or fumes or anything like that. This kit contains the blower, the charger and the battery. It's all included together. Seems like good value, so I'll just see how well it is to use. So without any further ado, let's unbox this. So it's a nice little package here, great value, so I can't wait to unbox it. Let's go. Hopefully it's just got cardboard packaging, we'll see. Always be careful of knives, kiddies at home. What have we got here? Blower back pieces. Charger. Bit of plastic, unfortunately. Really, the battery could have just gone into this cardboard thing by itself, but anyway. And the main event, the blower. So not too bad, just a little bit of plastic. Of course, the instruction manual. So there's our pieces, the blower back, 2 bits for that, charger and battery. So this One Plus battery can be used in other Ryobi tools, so makes it more sense. So if I buy another tool, I might be able to buy just a tool and not the battery and charger and use this one. So I'll just read the instructions to see how it goes together. Great thing with this, it's got a 6-year warranty on the main unit and a 3-year warranty on the battery and charger if you register online within 30 days. So make sure you register online when you get it. So this bigger piece goes into here. So the bigger one goes on first. So the bit with the 3 lines matches up with the 3 lines on the main unit. That's it. You've got to give it some firm pressure, that's locked into place. Get the other bit. Make sure the little cutout matches the 3 stripes. Probably have a bit of force as well. Yep, you can hear it click. There we go. Battery just plugs into here. Pretty light, good quality unit, easy to use. All you do is push the button, but we'll do that later when we give this a charge. So kudos for having just a tiny bit of plastic in the packaging. I reckon they could have eliminated that and have just cardboard packaging. So Ryobi, if you're watching, reduce that bit of plastic further and have just cardboard packaging. So it's quite a good unit. It uses the Ryobi One Plus batteries. So these can be used in a variety of tools. So if you've got another tool, you can use the same battery for that one as well. So the battery just simply plugs in. That's a 2 amp hour battery, 18 volts. It's also got a indicator on there, so you can press that. If you've got 4 bars, you've got a full battery. So it's pretty simple to use. Once you put your charged battery in there, all you've got to do is push the switch and it locks. Slide it back. So you can just switch it on and then hold the leaf blade. You don't have to hold that switch the whole time. So it's a quite balanced, light, easy to hold unit. They recommend this for smaller properties, so doing an area about 200 square metres maximum. So you wouldn't want to use this on a farm because it's not as powerful as the bigger ones. And battery, I'll see how long it lasts, but it probably will last maybe 15 minutes or more, but that'll be enough to do sort of household leaf blowing around the yard. So I'll go and find some leaves that have been built up. I'll use this to put them in a pile and then I'll sweep that and put it in the green waste. So we'll see how good this is. There's definitely enough leaves here to do. Often it builds up a lot more. And it is hard to sweep. So to see if the leaf blower does a better job. Still got the broom to sweep the final bits. There's a lot of leaves get blown into the garage too. So if you've got bikes and cars in here, it's often hard to sweep around them too. Don't forget your safety glasses and gloves. So that was really good. It took just a few seconds to a minute to do the whole garage. So that little short session used about a quarter of the battery, so I'm pretty sure it would last 16 minutes. But it just turned a laborious task into a quick, easy, efficient task. I did get a lot of leaves building up at my place, so it's made a boring job more fun, more quicker, more efficient. Still use a broom at the very end stage to sweep up the final bundle into the green bin, but it's a great product. I think it's a great model, good value, easy to use and does the job for normal households. And it's great that it's rechargeable and doesn't use any emissions, and also you can use this battery in other Ryobi products, so you can limit the number of batteries and chargers that you buy if you have a few more tools that are the same. So thanks for watching, see you next time.